Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2, Chapter 14. A trip to a mall. Learning objectives. Knowing about malls and Antarctica. Comprehending the life of penguins and polar animals. तो हम क्या जानेंगे? हम जानेंगे malls और Antarctica के बारे में और साथ ही हम ये भी समझेंगे कि penguin और polar animals की life कैसी होती है. The penguin went to a mall to buy some woolen shawls. She lived in Antarctica where it was freezing cold. तो penguin जो है वो गई mall किस लिए? वो woolen shawl खरीदने के लिए. Penguin कहाँ रहती है? Antarctica में, जहाँ पे क्या है बहुत ही ज़्यादा सर्दी है. Freezing cold, वहाँ सब जम रहा है. Her clothes were worn out and torn, so she needed to buy new ones. The penguin went to the mall, which was huge and tall. तो उसके जो भी कपड़े थे वो पुराने हो चुके थे, वो पहन चुकी थी और फट चुके थे. सो उसे नए कपड़े खरीदने की ज़रूरत थी. तो इसलिए वो मॉल गई और मॉल कैसा है? Huge and tall. There were Arctic terns and seal around. The music was played in loud sound. और वहाँ पे और कौन कौन है? वहाँ पे आर्कटिक टर्न्स और सील भी हैं और वहाँ पे म्यूजिक जो है बहुत ही लाउड बज रहा है. She soon got what she wanted. Her new clothes would be soon flaunted. उसे फाइनली वो मिल गया जो वो ढूंढने गई थी और बहुत ही जल्द वो नए कपड़े अपने पहनेगी और फ्लॉन्ट करेगी. Find meaning. Shawl, a large piece of cloth worn by a woman. Penguin, a black and white sea bird. Arctic, connected with the region. Flaunted, to show something you are proud of. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions in a phrase. One has been done for you. A. Who went to a mall? Penguin went to a mall. B. Why did the penguin go to the mall? The penguin go to the mall to buy some shawls. C. Who were there in the mall around? The Arctic terns and seal were around. D. How was the music played in the mall? The music played in very loud sound. B. Find their meanings. A. Terns, a sea bird related to girl. B. Loud, capable of making much noise. C. Flaunted, show off. C. Write the next two lines of the poems given below. So kids, here are given two lines. You will read the poem carefully and then complete this stanza. The penguin went to mall to buy some woolen shawls. So after reading the poem, you will write the remaining lines. D. Take the right option. A. The penguin went to a first college, second mall, third lake. Mall. B. The penguin lived in first Asia, second Australia, third Antarctica. Antarctica. C. In Antarctica, it was first extreme hot, second freezing, third neither hot nor cold. Freezing. D. The mall was first huge, second tall, third both of these. Both of these. E. Match the following. Column A, column B. Mall, shawls, Antarctica, cold, music, loud. Let's enjoy the poem. Color the figure using earbuds and paint colors. Make the figure beautiful and clean. So kids, here you can see a picture of penguin. With the help of earbud, you will paint this picture and complete it. Writing skills. Have you ever been to a mall with your parents? What things did you see there? Write their names. So kids, in this question, you will name the things which you see in the mall when you went to the mall with your parents. For example, A. Clothes. B. Lift. C. Swings. So, like this you will complete this question. Reading skills. Divide the class into groups of 2. Ask every student to read the poem and try to solve them. This group who answer all of them correctly fastest win chocolates. So kids, this is your class activity. You will divide into 2 groups. Your whole class will divide into 2 groups. So the group who gives the fastest answers of these questions will be the winner and they win chocolate. This question you will do in your classroom. Listening and speaking skills. Read the poem below and mention the rhyming words after reading it. I am a little penguin. I am a little penguin in the snow. I slide on my tummy to and fro. I eat the fish from the deep blue sea. I'm black and white, as you can see. So kids, you will read this poem aloud and then you will find some rhyming words in it and note down in your notebook. So kids, here your chapter is finished. See you in next class.